It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am headed into Walmart, and by the title of this video, I'm about to grab me some fabric and make myself one of those viral bows for my Christmas tree. So the measurements on these I'll leave in the description of the video if you guys are interested. I could also do a more detailed version of this video. Obviously, this one is sped up to save time, so just leave a comment and let me know. So I am just putting my pieces together. I am using batting as my inner piece to kind of give it a little bit of stability, and I'm using my glue gun to put it all together. But if you have a sewing machine, you could also use that too. And yeah, so let's get this together. So this is the main part of my bow. Now I'm just making the straps that's gonna go in the middle, and it's the same thing for all the pieces. I'm just using glue and batting to get it together. Alright, so I am so in love with this viral bow that's going around. So cute. I could not let it pass me by. The only difference I did with my bow, this part that hangs down, which you would say is, I don't know what they would call it, I kind of gave it a curve, as you can see in the middle right there, so it kind of has a little swag to it. Yes, child. So I'm just cutting the batting to fit, and whatever I do on that side, I'm gonna do it on the next side, and we are on our way. So now I'm just gluing the edges together. It's not the best looking part of it, but it's just whatever to get it done. And yeah, the ends were giving me a little bit of trouble, so I had to do a little finessing on that. But now I'm just gonna put it together and call that portion a day. And I was getting so much burns, oh my goodness. So that part is done. I'm now gonna just put everything together. But guys, what are you doing for your Christmas tree? Leave a comment down below. I'm gonna give it a little bit of iron in here because I hate when stuff is crushed. Like, God, oh my God, I wish I didn't have that problem. I'm gonna use some zip tie to get it together. Perfect, because you could pull it as tight as you want to. And yes, child, yes, finesse. There we go, the first portion. Cut the excess zip tie off, and I'm just measuring to make sure the two sides are even, which they weren't. So you want to fandangle with yours and get the sides even. So I'm now just putting the swag part on. That's gonna hang down, and I make sure I get the two longer sides in the inner part of the bow. And now I'm just putting my little folded piece in the middle there to hold everything together. Oops, I got burned. Oh wow, guys, that burned so hot. So basically, I'm just finagling just to make sure everything is in order, everything is in place, get it nice and neat as much as I can, and this is what it looks like. I know I went from that to this, but those parts, if I have to do a more detailed video, I'll show you guys how I got that done. But I had to do this just because I was having some issues with the tail area of the bow, and so I put this at the top here just to make it look kind of cohesive. And here I'm showing you that I filled the bow in with more batting just to give it a nice little bounce so it looked nice and juicy. Yes, nice and juicy. So I'm now gonna head over to my tree and add this one. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't wait for you guys to see how pretty it's gonna be. I love it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So nice and shiny. Love it. And in a later video, I'll show you guys the full length of my tree. I wasn't done. I didn't put the skirt on. Look at girl dancing. Look at girl. Yes, so that is my tree, guys. Hope you guys love it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm now gonna put some pics on top just to finalize the look. Oh my God, Becky, look at my tray. Yes, love it. Love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, guys, so see you in another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Guys, I love it. You like it?